Okay, so the trade setup we've been watching this week on the US dollar against the Swiss franc is really sort of starting to pan out now. The next day or two is basically make or break for this trade. If you take a look at the chart, you can see we have our solid up line, our solid trend line, sorry, should I say. It was broken about 3-4 days ago. Now, if we zoom in, we'll zoom in quite a lot, we can see that price has dropped through and has pulled back up to sort of this previous, sort of the trend line area and previous, support, sort of previous SR area levels here, support here, and now this is forming resistance. So what we ultimately want now would be to see some sort of bar form in this area. Ideally, a pin bar would be good. Maybe a bearish engulfing candle, something like that. But we've just got to see what happens here. There's one thing that is making me a bit apprehensive of the trade, and that is if we zoom out like this, and I'll tell you what, we'll zoom in a little bit in again. If you look at the MACD indicator at the bottom, you will see we have quite significant divergence there. Now that's actually a bit of a little bit of a red flag for me, to be honest. If let's just analyze this again, the chart again, sorry, should I say. We'll go to the weekly time frame for this. So price has come down and bounced twice off this SR support resistance level here. Like I said, we're ultimately looking for price to reach down here should a trade occur. So as it stands, to my mind, the trades, it's a little bit, it doesn't look so good now, to be honest, because of this divergence that we have here. It's not to say that it's totally invalid, but when you have divergence, when you have price, comes down, goes back up, makes a lower low, while this is making a higher high. At a different point in time, if this trend line hadn't been here, this might actually be a possible long trade. In fact, if we had the right setup. But like I said, just gonna watch this one. This is the third video in this series since we started looking at this trade at the beginning of this week. So the markets are closed right now. We'll just have to see tomorrow, Monday, what the market presents for us. Thank you.